Hi my beautiful friends, this is Dolly Jain and today what I'm sharing is how to drape a sari when you're pregnant. I mean, definitely you want to look your best on your 8th month and 9th month. You know, when you do that puja, and that's the time when you always wear a sari. So let me show you how you're going to style your sari when you're pregnant. Okay, before I start, मैं बताऊँ आपको, when I was pregnant, एंड मैं कुछ इसी तरह की साड़ी पहनी थी अपने बेबी शावर में. यू नो दीज डेज बेबी शावर्स कम वेरी फैंसी, बट उन दिनों इतनी फैंसी नहीं होती थी एंड वी हैड टू वेयर अ साड़ी. आई मीन अभी भी हो सकता है साड़ी पहन के मंदिर तो साड़ी पहन के जाते होंगे, बट हमारे टाइम पे हमें कोई पहनाना ही नहीं आता था, ना कोई ड्रेप का ट्यूटोरियल होता था कि भाई आप प्रेग्नेंट हैं तो आप ऐसी साड़ी पहन लीजिए एंड ऑल दैट थिंग. सो वी हैड टू जस्ट wear it in the normal way or the सीधा पल्ला that our mother-in-law, you know, थोड़ा बहुत जो help कर देते थे. Then I thought, why not share a drape with you which is stylish, trendy, as well as comfortable. Because when you're pregnant, what is the most important thing is you want to be comfortable. So yes, I've just done my basic tuck. Basic tuck, you always start 2.5 to 3 inches from your navel and take it all the way around and tuck this here. This is called the basic tuck. Okay, after you've done that, let's make the shoulder pleats. So I'll just take this around, okay, and I'll start making my shoulder pleats like this. So when you have a border in your sari, it makes it very easy for you to drape. Look at this, just falls so beautifully. And keep adjusting your pleat like this, and I've just done that and I have added a pin. I've made pleats and I've added a pin here. Now pleated thing, you place it on your shoulder like this, right? This way. Not too long, not too short. I mean not this short, this length is fine. Like a little below your knee, right? This way. Now what you have to do here is, so normally what you do is you leave a cowl like this. Okay, but during pregnancy you don't want your belly to be visible, right? So what you have to do is take this like this, cover, okay, and add a pin here. Be very careful, you'll be using stainless steel lock pins only, okay? So see, I've added a pin here. Now what you do next is take this part of the fabric and start making your pleats. You know how to make your pleats? Measure your princess line and then hold the fabric there and start making your pleats. This one. If the fabric is pure and nice, the pleats will automatically fall, right? So see, here it is. We've done it and we'll just adjust these. I've adjusted all my pleats, aligned them properly. Now you'll tuck them properly like this, right? You can see how beautifully the pleats are falling. After doing that, tuck the sides also. So far I think everything is clear, right? Now what you have to do is, if you want to, you can leave it like this. अगर आप चाहते हैं इसको ऐसे ही रखना, आप आराम से इसको ऐसे रख सकते हैं. बट क्योंकि मैंने कहा है कि मैं आपको कुछ नया सिखाऊंगी और कुछ डिफरेंट बताऊंगी, तो चलिए बताते हैं क्या कर सकते हैं इसका. आपको क्या करना है, इसको लेना है और एक वी बनानी है इसमें. देखिए, इसको पकड़ेंगे और इसको हम एंगल पे एक वी बनाएंगे ऐसे, और उस वी को कंधे पे रख के हम लगाएंगे एक पिन. अब शोल्डर पे मैंने एक पिन लगा दिया है. फिर उसके बाद आप क्या करेंगे, इसको लेंगे और एक अच्छी सी वी बनाएंगे, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली आपका बेबी शावर है, यू विल बी वेयरिंग nice heavy jewelry, so the jewelry can come on this plain part of your blouse. Okay, this you can pull it down and add a pin like this. Got it? And then just push this inside. It's like this. Now there's another reason, but first let me show you how it looks. See, it's covered fully from this side, and this part also, if you want, you can attach a pin here or you can attach a pin together. I mean, it depends how big belly you have. Okay, नाउ दिस अनदर रीज़न वाई इस तरह का ड्रेप मैं आपको सिखा रही हूँ, बिकॉज जब आप बेबी शावर करते हैं उसके फंक्शन में इट्स योर मदर इन लॉ एंड दी अदर फैमिली मेम्बर्स जो आपके गोद में कुछ डालते हैं, आई मीन इट्स गोद भराई, ओके। सो ये वाला जो पार्ट है आप इसको ऐसे उठाते हो एंड यू कैन डू द गोद भराई हियर, गॉट इट। इंस्टेड ऑफ डूइंग इट ऑन अ टॉवल, इसके ऊपर टॉवल लगाओ, तो वो टॉवल इसलिए लगता था बिकॉज आजकल आप लोग ऐसा ड्रेप ही नहीं पहनते जिसमें छोल भर सके, ठीक है। सो मैंने आपको ये ड्रेप सिखाया है, लुक एट दिस, नाइस। अब आप इसमें लो और इसमें उनको वो छोल भर देंगे and that's it. So look, I hope you like this drape. Now when you're pregnant, definitely you will be wearing dresses and getting all those fancy photo shoots done. But apart from that, try and wear a sari like this and get a nice picture clicked in this. So okay guys, I hope you like this drape and I hope this drape is going to be very helpful for you during your pregnancy when you really wish to dress up. And also for all the girls who are planning to get pregnant, get a beautiful sari and drape it like the way I've shared. Take care of yourself. I love you all. Stay safe, stay blessed. Jai Hind.